Alright, gonna do a quick unboxing and assembly of the Lowe's Haunted Mansion Miss Kitty Tombstone. It's the Haunted Mansion Cat Tombstone. We'll get it out of the box, see what's in the box, and get it set up. It does come in 3 pieces. The cat, the monument base, and a weighted bottom. Assembly looks pretty simple. Little directions there. You sit the cat on top of there and turn it, and I believe this goes on the bottom of the monument and screws in place. And there you have it, the Haunted Mansion Cat Tombstone from Lowe's. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.